They told us the satellites from the Cold War were dead, junk floating in orbit. But in late 2025, a decommissioned Soviet-era scanner, the Kosmos 1402, reactivated. It didn't look at the stars. It looked down, deep into the Earth's crust. This is the first leaked image. It's a thermal cross-section. What you're seeing isn't a cave or a tectonic plate. It is a 50-mile-long metallic structure moving through the Earth SS mantle, as if the rock were liquid. Project Deep Sight was launched in secret to investigate. These are the last photos taken by the crew of the RV Aurora. They weren't looking for shipwrecks. They were tracking a heartbeat coming from the core of our planet. The sonar returns were impossible. The Mid-Atlantic Ridge isn't just a mountain range. It's a seam, a mechanical seal. The Earth isn't just a planet. It's a vessel, and something inside just started the engine. Everywhere on Earth, exhaust ports are opening. These natural photos show blue plasma venting from the Kola superdeep borehole. It's not volcanic. It's propulsion waste. Welcome to the UFO archive. Forget the little green men from Mars. They've been under our feet since the beginning. We are living on the roof of their house. Why did we stop drilling deep holes in the 80s? Because we hit the shell. The US and the USSR realized simultaneously that the Earth's crust is a protective hull, only 20 miles thick. Below that is a vacuum, an internal atmosphere. This photo was leaked by a whistleblower from the Oceanic Research Bureau in January 2026. This is Atlantis. It's a refueling station. You can see the scale. Those lights are miles across. We used to think these were natural crystal formations, but look at the symmetry. These are biological circuits. The rock itself is programmed. The Earth was grown to be a self-sustaining ark. The fauna is changing. Deep-sea fishermen are pulling up creatures that don't belong to our biology. They are maintenance drones. Biological machines designed to repair the Earth's internal hull. The nanite leak. In February 2026, beaches in Brazil began turning into smart dust. The internal vessel is leaking its repair fluids. Our planet is reformatting. They don't come from the sky. They come from the magma. This photo, taken over Mount Etna, shows a mantle breacher exiting the core. They aren't visiting us. They are leaving us. In March 2026, a spelunker in Kentucky found an elevator. Not a human one. It went down for 14 minutes. At the bottom, he saw the pilots, 10-foot-tall beings with translucent skin and no eyes. They don't need light. They feel the Earth's vibration. This is the only known photo of a Terra pilot. They are biologically fused with the planet's control systems. When the Earth moves, they feel it. When we nuke the Earth, they suffer. The Greada Treaty wasn't about aliens from space. It was an agreement between the surface dwellers, WES, and the core dwellers. We get the surface, they get the interior, but the treaty just expired. The North Pole is moving, not at its usual pace, but at 50 miles per day. The core is shifting its weight. The vessel is changing course. The Earth is preparing for a long-range jump across the galaxy. The atmosphere is being scrubbed. The pilots are changing the air chemistry to prepare for the deep space voyage. We are the stowaways on a ship that is about to leave its port. And it's not just Earth. Our moon is the escort ship. Look at this natural telescope, shot from June 2026. That isn't a crater. It's an ion engine. The entire solar system is a fleet. The boarding gates are opening. Thousands of people have reported seeing massive circular openings in the ocean. These aren't whirlpools. They are entrances to the interior. They are inviting some of us in. This is where the elite are going. The lifeboats. While the surface of the Earth is left behind to face the vacuum of space, a select few are being moved to the safe zones inside the hull. Why do the Greys wear suits? Because our air is toxic to them. They are core dwellers, visiting the surface. They don't like it here. To them, we are the insects, living on the outside of their hull. This tower is a stabilizer. It's locking the Earth's rotation. In July 2026, the sun will stop moving for 48 hours. The Earth is docking with its new orbit. Time is breaking. The internal clock of the vessel has taken over. Our GPS systems are useless. The natural order of the 24-hour day is gone. We are now on vessel time. The Guardians have arrived to escort the Earth. Look at this natural shot from a commercial pilot. That's not a cloud formation. That's the Frontier, the lead ship of the fleet. The shield is up. The Earth is now encased in a magnetic bubble that blocks out the stars. We are in the void. The journey has begun. We are no longer in the Milky Way. What happened to those left on the surface? We are the biological waste. The pilots only needed the planet's core and its energy. We are just the mold growing on the skin of their ship. This is what the Earth really looks like under the dirt. A machine. A beautiful, terrifying, ancient machine. And it's finally going home. This is our last broadcast from the surface. If you can hear this, find the nearest cave. Get as deep as you can. Maybe they'll let you stay. The Earth is not our home. It's our ride. And the ride is over. Keep your eyes on the ground. The truth is deep. No voice. Final text. The vessel has departed. God help the surface.